With RhinoArtisan 7, presenting your designs is faster and more visual than ever. Introducing Real-Time Render, fully integrated into RhinoArtisan. With a single click, your model comes to life in photorealistic quality and updates in real time as you work. Explore design possibilities instantly. Try different gemstones, experiment with different metals, and refine every material in real time, giving you complete creative control over the final result. Find the perfect combination in seconds, and create the perfect setting for your design. Use bevel to define the exact level of metal polish. Control shadows, creating incredibly realistic finishes. Generate high-quality images or videos with a single click, and share your vision